Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss a new topic, that is odd and even. Okay, so before I start this topic, I want to show you something. So my dear students, here you can see some pictures, right, of different kinds of fruits. So in the first picture, here some strawberries are given, right? So if I want to pair these strawberries, how many pairs I can make? Okay, pairs means that means you have to choose 2 strawberries. Okay, 2 strawberries will make 1 pair. Okay, so 2 we will choose and we'll see how many pairs we can find. So here you can see 2 strawberries are there, that means 1 pair. Here also 2 strawberries are there, that means 2 pairs are there, right? And here we find 2 pairs of strawberries. Okay, we will not write here, we'll write here. So here we find 2 pairs of strawberries. Okay, let's see this one. This one is the photo of some oranges. Okay, so here also we will make some pairs. Okay, we will collect 2 oranges. So these 2 first of all we'll choose, then these 2 will choose, then these 2 we will choose, then these 2 we will choose. So how many pairs here you can find? So here 1 2 3 4 pairs are there, right? That means 4 complete pairs are there, nothing is left over, right? Now let's see this one. This one is what? Guava. Okay, now we'll collect this guava, we'll again make the pair of these guavas. So first of all, this one is 2 guavas, 2 guavas. Now here 1 is left out, right? Because here we can't make pairs, right? Because 1 is missing. So here we'll find 3 complete pair but 1 incomplete, right? So that means if I count the numbers, how many guavas are there? So how many guavas are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 7 guavas are there. Okay, now you just see that if something we can't make a pair, okay, that means if we collect something and we can't make it a pair, that one is called what? Odd. Okay, that means we can't make pairs. Now if we can make pairs, that one will be what? Even. Okay, same like with the numbers also. Okay, so here you will find 4, here you will find 6, and here you will find 7. Okay, so if any number that can be divided by 2, that number will be called as even number. Okay, and if any number that can't be divided by 2, that number will be what? Odd number. Okay, so if we can divide any number by 2, that will be even number, and if any number that cannot be divided by 2, that will be odd number. Okay, okay, so my dear students, now you just see this chart. So even and odd number. So if any number, how we can identify any number, is it even or odd? Because sometimes maybe 4-digit number it will be, maybe 8-digit number it will be, right? So how we can identify whether this entire number is even or odd, we'll see the ones place. Okay, we will see the ones place, and if in the ones place you will find 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number will be what? Even number. Okay, and if the number, okay, the ones place of that particular number ends with 1, 5, 7, 3, 9, then the entire number will be what? Odd number. Okay, now let me give you some example. Okay, so my dear students, if I write any number, any 4-digit number, for example 9, 8, 5, 4, you have to tell me whether it is odd or even number. Okay, so in order to identify whether this number is odd or even, we'll see the ones place. Now for even number, what are the numbers that we require? 0, 2, 6, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, if a number ends with this number, that particular number will be, that entire number will be what? Even number. So here you can see 4 is there, and in even number, if we find 4, then the entire number will be what? Even. So this number is what? Even number. Okay, one more example if I give you now. For example 1000. Okay, you have to tell me whether it is odd or even. So you just see the last value, or I can say the ones place value. Okay, this one. So we know that if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, right, then the entire number will be even number. Now this number ends with 0, so this entire number will be what? Even number. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, one more example. If I write any number, say 1995. Okay, now you just see the value that is in ones place. So the value is what? 5, right? So if a number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then the entire number will be what? Odd number. So in odd number, remember these numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if the entire number, or we can say the number ends with this digit or this number, then the entire number will be odd number. Okay, I hope you have understood about the even and odd number. Okay, you have to see only the ones place. Okay, okay, so now we'll do the exercise. Okay students, now open page 76, exercise 6. So here what is given: color the boxes with even number green, color the boxes with odd numbers blue. So for the even number, we have to color it with green. Okay, so we'll choose green color. Okay, this one. Okay, so first of all we will find out the even numbers. Okay, so we know that even numbers, if any number it ends with 0, oh god, wait, if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the entire number will be what? Even number, right? So now see the first number here, 67 is there, and as you can see the ones place here 7 stands, right? But here the 7 is not there, right? So this is not the even number. Okay, next proceed to next number, 677. Now again see the last digit 7 is there, so it is not even number. right? Because 7 you will find here in odd number. Okay, now see the third one. So 6 is there, and 6 is also present in even number, so this entire number will be what? Even. Okay, you have to color this box. Here I will just encircle it, okay, but in your book you have to color it. Okay, you have to color it with green color. Okay, now the next number, here also it ends with 0, so this one also even. Here also it ends with 0, this one is also even. Now the next one, 1 is there, so 1 we will find in odd, so we'll left this one. Now the next one, 2 4 2 5, 5 is there, so 5 is odd number, so we'll not consider this one in even number. Now see, here 6 is there, so this one is even. Here 7 is there, so this will be odd. Here 8 is there, this will be even. Like that only you have to do. 9 is there, so 9 you will find in odd, so this one is odd. Again 0 is there, this will be even. Again 0 is there, this will be even. 1 is there, here also 1 is there, so it is odd number. Here 2 is there, so this will be again even. Here 3 is there, so this will be odd. Here 8 is there, this will be even. Now here 0 is there, this will be even. Now here also 0 is there, this will be even. Here 1 is there, this will be odd. Here also 1 is there, this will be odd. Here 5 is there, this will be odd. Here 0 is there, so this will be even. Okay, so you have to color these boxes with green color. Okay, and the odd number, okay, whatever the number that is left out now, that will be odd number, so you have to color it with blue color. Like blue color you have to color it. Okay, this is how you have to do this one. Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the even numbers and the odd numbers, right? How you can find any numbers, how you can identify any numbers, whether it is even or not. By observing these things you can easily identify. Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the evens and odd, right? So in the next class I will discuss another topic, that is predecessor and successor. Okay, till then you just revise whatever I just teach now. Okay.